In this video, I'm going to show you how to change column width and row height in Microsoft Word. So as we can see this table, and if you want to change column and row with column and row size, so firstly select this corner box. Now click on layout. Now here you will see option table row height, and this one table column width. So if you want to table row height, so you can change as your requirement like this. And similarly you can change size for this column, so increase or decrease like this. And also you will find option auto fit. So auto fit contains auto fit with window. Fixed column width. So this is the options to change size of table, row and column in MS Word. Thanks for watching.